water is popular for strengthening hair, promoting growth, and improving shine. Rice is rich in amino acids, vitamins B and E, and minerals that help nourish the hair. It can improve hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage, which is excellent for low porosity hair that sometimes struggles with moisture retention. The amino acids in rice help strengthen hair roots, while inositol, a carbohydrate found in rice, can help repair damaged hair and protect it from future damage. Mint. Fresh mint is amazing for scalp health. It contains menthol, which boosts circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. Mint also has antimicrobial properties that can help.
Oh, my lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Well, in today's video, I am sharing my homemade rice and mint hair mask, which I use for my daughter low porosity hair. This mask combines rice for straining hair, fresh mint for scalp healthy, honey for nourishing, and infusing oil to lock in hydration. I will show you guys step by step how to make it and how to apply it. So follow me. If you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Why I'm saying, guys, I'm just doing and I'm started blending my things. Actually, this thing I'm making voice over. Why am I doing voice over? Because when I'm doing, I have to open like something for my daughter to be watching, and those things, there is a music, and YouTube and Facebook, if you don't mute everything, they are going to tell you copyright. Why you suffer make your video. Well, after blending, and I strain my mint and the rice, and also now I'm adding my infusing oil inside. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons inside of this oil. Okay, guys, so after adding the 2 tablespoons, I will definitely go ahead and bring my honey, because this thing, I love honey, because honey is also something that promoting healthy hair and also soften the hair, keeping the hair shine. So I'll add to honey, 1 tablespoon of honey that I'm adding inside, guys. So guys, let's move on. This video also, don't forget, I will definitely going to call Jav, which is, everybody know, chat GPT, for her to explain to me and you guys the benefit of using rice and mint hair mask. Okay, guys, so don't go far away. I will call her, but let me mix everything before we go ahead and call her to listen what she's going to say. So now, after adding your ingredients, or after I added my ingredient, the next thing I have to mixing it, as you guys can see how consistency smooth it is. When you put this in your hair, that's how your hair is going to be nourishing, guys. I'm so proud and I'm so happy for myself. I don't care whatever that people are saying, but the only thing I only care that because it's benefit, I'm seeing the result from it, because it's helping me. My hair is growing, my daughter hair is growing. What else again? So that is why I'm also decided to bring you this benefit, this important treatment, so that you also can try it by yourself. Trying is better than everything. Okay, why I'm showing it to you, if you watch it this way, you also should try it. When you try it, you can come back and tell me what was the result. Now you guys, you can see my daughter hair. Yesterday I washed it yesterday, so now this is how the hair look like. So the head is clean, it's only that it's dry. So the next, I'm going to bring my hydrating spray, because with this thing, the head is too dry, so I have to do hydrate the head small before put my mask, before put the mask on her. So guys, thank you very much. Let me go ahead and call Jav. Why I'm putting the mask on my daughter, we can be listening to what Jav is going to say about the benefit and those things.
I boiled my rice. After boiling the rice, I blended it in. I add the mint, fresh mint inside, and blend it together. And also I add 1 tablespoon of honey, and I add my infusing oil inside. So I want you to tell me the benefit of these ingredients, the rice and the mint, the benefit, and also what type of vitamins that is having, and the head mask also, the benefit of the head mask. So I use it for my daughter head, and I just want to know the benefits and the vitamins that it's having. Are we there?
Got it, Jeff?
Yeah.
Let's break down the benefits of each ingredient in that rice and mint hair mask, especially for Jav's low porosity hair. Rice. Rice water is popular for strengthening hair, promoting growth, and improving shine. Rice is rich in amino acids, vitamins B and E, and minerals that help nourish the hair. It can improve hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage, which is excellent for low porosity hair that sometimes struggles with moisture retention.
Guys,
the amino acids in rice.
Guys, you can see the head yesterday when I was washing. After I opened her head, that was the head that we lost. So I keep it. I say, okay, let me keep it aside, and after we finish everything, so that I will see amount of the hair that we lost. This head, actually, I'm so happy. I'm super happy, and I'm super proud of myself because the ingredients that I'm using is good for me, and at the same time is good for my daughter. That is most important for me. The things that I can use for my daughter and is good for her is making me more joy. You can see that head is just little after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, protectable style. So I cannot make any protectable style more than 2 weeks. When I just do it, it will be 2 weeks, and I open it because sometimes when it is long like that, she's just a baby, it's difficult. So I always make sure that every 2 weeks I change her hairstyle. Anyway, let's continue listening to Jeff.
Help strengthen hair roots, while inositol, a carbohydrate found in rice, can help repair damaged hair and protect it from future damage. Mint. Fresh mint is amazing for scalp health. It contains menthol, which boosts circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. Mint also has antimicrobial properties that can help keep the scalp clean and reduce issues like dandruff. It's packed with vitamin A, which promotes healthy sebum production, and vitamin C, which can support collagen production, strengthening hair strands. Honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This is helpful for low porosity hair because honey can help draw moisture into the hair shaft, making it softer and more manageable. Honey is also rich in antioxidants, which support scalp health and has antibacterial properties, helping maintain a healthy environment for hair growth. Since you use your infusion oils, like those with rosemary, clove, or fenugreek, they add nourishing fatty acids and antioxidants to the hair mask. Oils provide a protective layer on low porosity hair, which can seal in moisture. Oils like rosemary and fenugreek also stimulate the scalp, aiding growth, while clove and black seed oils are known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Benefits of the hair mask as a whole. This mask works as a deep conditioning and strengthening treatment. The mask also stimulates the scalp and encourages healthy growth. And since it includes rice, it can strengthen the hair structure, making it resilient to damage. Using it regularly will give Jav's hair a balanced boost of moisture, strength, and scalp health. Overall vitamins and nutrients: rice, B vitamins, vitamin E, amino acids, and inositol. Mint, vitamins A and C, plus minerals like calcium and iron. Honey, antioxidants and trace amounts of vitamins and minerals. Infused oil, varies depending on ingredients, but typically includes vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants. This mask sounds like an excellent mix for nurturing Jav's hair. It's gentle yet effective for her low porosity needs.
Thank you. So with this, and how many times can I use it inside her head? And also, how can you keep it? Can you keep it up to 1 week in the fridge, or it's not good? It's not advisable.
You're welcome, Jeff. For Jav's hair, using the rice and mint hair mask once a week is ideal. Since her hair is low porosity, once a week is enough to avoid overloading her hair with protein from the rice, which could make it feel stiff if used too frequently. As for storing it, you can definitely keep it in the fridge, but try to use it within 1 week. Since it has fresh ingredients like mint and honey, it's best not to store it for too long to avoid any spoilage or bacteria growth. If you notice any change in smell or texture, it's safer to make a fresh batch. Just make sure to store it in an airtight container and give it a quick stir before each use.
Okay. Thank you. So how long can you, with this mask, how long can you be, when you make it, how long can you be sit? How many minutes do you have to sit before go and wash it? And if you're going to wash it, how do you have to wash it? With shampoo and conditioner, or just rinse it water like that? That's all. How can you wash it?
You're welcome, Jeff. For this rice and mint mask, you can let it sit in Jeff's hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. This gives enough time for the nutrients to penetrate without leaving it on too long, which can sometimes make low porosity hair feel a bit heavy. When it's time to rinse, it's usually best to start by rinsing it out thoroughly with warm water to remove as much of the mask as possible. After that, a gentle shampoo wash is ideal, especially if there's oil in the mask. This helps to clear away any remaining residue. You can then follow up with a light conditioner, which will help add extra moisture and softness. But if her hair feels good after rinsing, you can skip the conditioner and go straight to styling.
Okay, thank you, Jeff.
Great. Let me know if you have.
Okay guys, you can see after we finish making the treatment, I took care, we go inside, we take shower, and I just use the brush to brush the head now. So when I was using it, I didn't put now that I'm putting my leave-in condition inside. So that is it, my people. That is how we are growing our natural hair, my baby natural hair. So please, if you are interested with this channel, or you are interested to support us with subscribing and liking and sharing it with your friends. Okay, this channel, what we are doing DIY content with, I'm doing DIY content with my daughter, with my princess. I'm growing my princess hair. So that is what we are doing in this channel. In case you don't know what we are doing here, that is what we are doing. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all. Please don't forget, if you watch it up to this point, may Allah bless all of you, and try to support us by subscribing, liking it, because for you guys to like it or share it, that will make the Facebook or YouTube, for them to notice that, oh yes, so that they can push our videos forward. Okay, but if you are watching to subscribe, it's not taking your much time, it's not going to take too much time from you, or liking it's not going to take too much time, and it's not for paying, it's just a free of charge. Okay guys, please, it's free of charge. It's not like when you subscribe you have to pay money before. No, you are not paying anything, because some people may understand it wrong. When you say subscribe, they think that you have to subscribe it with money. No, when you are subscribing, it's not with money. Just subscribe, is free of charge. They don't take money from you. And if you are watching from Facebook also, the same thing. If you just like it and follow the page, it's not like you are going to pay money for that. You are not paying money for anything. I'm seeing people that returning to me, especially Facebook, but I'm not seeing them following or liking the video or even giving comments. At least give me motivate. You guys should give motivate. Let someone be happy with what I'm doing. But anyway, whether you like it or not, I'm happy with what I'm doing, because my daughter hair is growing. That is most important. Anyway, and thank you very much. You can see now I make my protective style for my daughter. We make the protective style. That is my style that I make for her. Best one. Bye bye. We love you.